Hello and welcome everyone. We are excited to have you join us today for what's said to be an insightful session. It's a pleasure to bring you this webinar and we are glad to feature Pritham, one of our finest engineers on the KubeDB team. He has been on the team for an extended period of time. Also, we encourage your interaction, so if you have any questions, don't hold back. Drop them in the Zoom chat anytime and we will address them during the QA segment. So let's jump right in. I'm now passing it over to Pritham, who will get us started. Hi, Pritham.
Hello everyone, I am Pritam, currently working as a senior software engineer at Epscot, and our today's topic of today's webinar is provisioning Hazelcast on Kubernetes using KubeDB. So here is overall content of today's webinar. First of all, I will explain what is Hazelcast. Then I will explain the features and specifications of Hazelcast. Afterwards, I will show how Hazelcast stores data in the cluster. And then I will go through the live demo and we will provision Hazelcast using KubeDB on Kubernetes. And finally, we will have a short Q&A session. So here Hazelcast is...
প্রীতম তুমি হচ্ছে স্ক্রিন শেয়ার দিয়ে ইয়ে করো, আমি এই জায়গাটা কাট করে দিব, ক্যামেরা অন করো আর হচ্ছে স্ক্রিন শেয়ার দাও, আবার বলো শুরু থেকে, ক্যামেরাটা অন করো।
Okay, camera on করুন। Okay,
হ্যাঁ, আর হচ্ছে স্ক্রিন শেয়ারটা দাও।
share. আচ্ছা, স্ক্রিন শেয়ার দিই নেই।
তারপরে হ্যালো ব্রেন দেওয়া শুরু করবো আর কি।
ওকে, শুরু থেকে আবার শুরু করতে সমস্যা
হুম।
নেই। Hello everyone, I am Pritam, currently working as a software engineer at Epscot, and the topic of our today's webinar is provisioning Hazelcast on Kubernetes using KubeDB. So here is an overall content of our today's webinar. First of all, I will explain what is Hazelcast, and then I will go through the features and specifications of Hazelcast. Then I will describe how Hazelcast stores data in the cluster. And afterwards, I'll go through the live demo. And finally, we will provision Hazelcast using QDB, and a short Q&A session will be there as well. So Hazelcast is a real-time data storage which combines the features of data store and a stream processing system. So basically, Hazelcast has a few features and specifications. It can be used against databases like Mongo or MySQL, which can reduce database load by caching frequently. It can also store and manage large datasets across a cluster, and it also runs parallel computations across distributed environments. And it can also manage events which can work like a publication subscription messaging patterns as well. And it ensures data integrity through persistency and in-memory backups. So this is how Hazelcast actually stores data. Data is stored in the form of data structures like map or queue or multi-maps actually. So here we can see a separate distribution of map actually. Each rectangle is a separate distribution of map. And these are the primary distribution, and each member has some in-memory backups as well. Each in-memory backup is actually primary distribution of some other member, and if one member goes down, then these in-memory backups will retrieve original data from backups. So here we can see when member C goes down, then these backups are actually retrieved the data here, and then backups are in-memory backups are redistributed again here actually. So this is how Hazelcast Hazelcast is provisioned in KubeDB actually. So we have a Hazelcast custom resource. If we deploy Hazelcast custom resource, then KubeDB operator will create necessary resources like the stateful set service, role binding, secrets, and all. And we have different termination policies here. If termination policy is do not terminate, then we can't actually delete Hazelcast resource from the cluster. In case of wipeout, it will delete all the traces of database like secret or secret services and all. But in case of halt, secrets and PVCs will be retained in the cluster. And if termination policy is delete, then only secrets will be retained here. So we have implemented several features of Hazelcast already. We can monitor Hazelcast using Prometheus and Grafana dashboards. Then we have customizable health checkers as well. Basically, it works like it pings in the database first of all, then checks read and write as well. Then we have also implemented custom configuration here. We can actually customize the default configuration secret through custom config secret. Then we have persistent volume to ensure data integrity here. And then we have multiple termination strategies we have already discussed in our previous section. Then we also have default security context in Hazelcast stateful set as well. So I will use we are using KubeDB here. We will provision Hazelcast using KubeDB, and we can install KubeDB through the command shown here. Now let's go through the live demo. So before going through the live demo, I will actually describe the YML here. To run Hazelcast, we first of all need a license secret. You can take this license secret from Hazelcast website. This is a trial license secret actually. So in here, this is the Hazelcast custom resource, and we will deploy Hazelcast in a TLS enabled cluster. So enable SSL is true here, and also I have added necessary details of TLS here. We have a cluster issuer which is signed by cert manager, and we have certificate informations here as well. And if we don't want TLS or any or security or Hmm, hmm. If we don't want TLS or auth secret, then we can simply use disable security true here. Here I have deletion policy halt and added license secret here. I have 3 replicas and the version is 5.5.2. We have storage class name standard here since I'm using kind cluster, and it will basically generate that it will basically create the PVC stuff here. So let's go through the terminal now. So I hope you can see my terminal here. So first of all, I have to create necessary secrets since I need a license here. So first of all, I will create license. So here license is created here. So then I have to create necessary secrets for TLS as well. So in case of TLS, first of all, I have to create CA, and then I will create a secret for CA, and finally I will create cluster issuer now. So here is my cluster issuer. I have to check either it's created or not. Yes, this is ready here. So now I can deploy database. So here is our Hazelcast custom resource, and pod is already there. It's in the running stage, but it will take some time to get ready since we have some probes here actually. Here it is. It is our Leibniz probe. It will check the node state there. It's in the HTTPS since we are using TLS enabled cluster. And here is a readiness probe as well. We have 3 overall pods. 2 pods have already here. And here is third pod. It will get ready within a few seconds, hopefully. So here it is. You can see cluster is ready there. Now, if we want to port forward, either cluster is active or not, we can check it out. Okay. So here it is. So we can actually check either cluster is active or not. So in that case, we can run a simple command there actually. So let me run a command here. Uh, need my auth secret there. So it's a TLS enabled cluster, so it will be HTTPS. So here it is, node state is active here, so our cluster is active as well. So if we can run actually some SQL operations here to see either it takes data out or not. So let's run some more SQL commands here to check either Hazelcast is deployed properly or not. So we will create a map through SQL commands. So what is going on? Oh, sorry. Here it is. Now I will go to bin. So fully in bin we have HZCLI. So HZCLI SQL. So now we can run some SQL commands here. So this command will create a map called cities. It's okay. So command succeeded here. Then we can insert some map entries there. So I'm inserting overall 8 entries. All then it's also okay. Then finally I will see either the map is properly created or not. So if these are just simple SQL queries. So here is the map there. The data is stored in the key and value format. And so here's keys, integers, and we have country and cities as values there. So that's it. Now I can simply exit from here. So that's it from my side.
Yeah, and that wraps about today's webinar. I'd suggest our audiences, if you have any questions, you can ask in the chat or you can raise your voice. We were open to your questions. So I guess there is no question at this point. Thank you, Pritam, for this insightful webinar with hands-on demo. A big thanks to each of you for being here and contributing to the session. We are excited to continue the conversation in our upcoming events. Be sure to check out appscode.com/webinar to explore our full webinar lineup and secure your spot. Until next time, take care and have a great day.